Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special Vada with black-eyed pea and tomato chutney. It's super easy and very healthy breakfast. Here I'm using 250 grams of black-eyed pea. You can increase or decrease this quantity according to your need. Clean and soak for minimum 4 hours, if possible overnight. After soaking for overnight, strain the water and blend into paste. Here you can make into fine paste or coarse paste. Both are tasty, but don't add any extra water to it. If you add extra water, batter will become liquid and it's difficult to make shape. Even it will absorb excess oil. Add salt to taste and mix well. Now take enough oil to fry in deep fry pan and heat the oil. Take small amount of batter in the hand. Form a round shape with the help of fingers. Make small hole on the center and let it slowly down into the hot oil. Fry in low to medium flame till it turns to brown color. If you fry in high flame, outer layer will become darker and vada will not cook enough from inside. Follow the same process till you finish the batter. They look like donuts. Look at the color, how beautiful they are. You can eat them directly or with any type of sauce which you like. Either with tomato ketchup, which you can find in my channel, or with any chutney which I'm going to prepare. With any combination, they taste good. Today I'm preparing tomato chutney for it. Let's begin chutney process. Take 250 grams of ripened tomatoes, clean them and cut into 4 pieces and place them in a fry pan. Take 3 green chilies, cut them into 2 parts and add to tomatoes. Take 1 inch ginger. It will be approximately 15 grams. Cut and add to tomatoes. No need to make small pieces as we will blend them after. Add 3 tablespoons of oil and cook it on a medium flame till tomatoes soften. Mix occasionally to avoid overcooking on the bottom. When tomatoes soften, switch off the stove and let it cool down. When it cools down, place it in a blender. Add 6 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of tamarind. Add salt to taste. For a good digestion, we will add half teaspoon of cumin. Now without adding water, blend it into a paste. Now our tomato chutney is ready. We can sprinkle chopped coriander and serve. If you don't find tamarind, replace with a pinch of citric acid or juice of half lemon for sourness. That's it. Our vada with black-eyed pea and tomato chutney for breakfast is ready. If you like this video, give thumbs up. If you don't like, click the dislike button. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.